Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer and I'm giving you guys a video sample from my Canon EOS 80D using the IRIX 150 micro lens, which is f2.8, but right now is at shutter speed 50th, aperture is at 4, and ISO is at 640. Now I am using my custom color profile, so I'll leave the link to that video here so you guys could check that out. So I do like a film look, but if I need to get any slow motion, I would actually shoot in 1080p 60 frames a second, but I do want most of my content in a cinematic look. So right now I am going to be panning left and right so you guys can see the jello effect in 1080p 24 frames a second. So bear with me. Now I do have my audio levels turned down and the settings on the lowest setting that I possibly think is manageable. So this may vary based on lavalier microphone and shotgun microphone, so take that with a grain of salt. But take this also with a grain of salt. Based on what lens you're using, you may want to change certain aperture and ISO settings based on the aperture of that particular glass. So keep that in mind. Also, I want to inform you guys that this has been a really solid camera, and this camera is pretty amazing, and I already like how the color representation with the combination with the IRIX 150 lens is doing for the video. And I'm about 6 feet, 7 feet away from the Lysol bottle. And basically, yeah, I'm not sponsored by Lysol, but Lysol, if you want to see me some free sanitizer wipes, please do so. And information is down in the links below in the description. So other than that, guys, yeah, I just want to show you a video sample. And if you guys like this video sample, or you think you want to see more video samples, please let me know. I don't have an idea right now what lens to get next, but it's probably going to be the IRIX 100 and IRIX 11 mil, the wide angle, because I really want a wide angle lens. But with that said, everyone, this has been Panda, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and share the content so it helps this channel grow and keep the lights on here. Alright, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. See ya.